Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. For today's video, we are here in one of the subdivision in Tandang Sora, Quezon City to show you this 3-story modern contemporary home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts, and please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for our complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For this property, we have 10 meters frontage and it's facing north. And of course, we have this 3-story house. And dito sa harapan, napaka-elegante nung design nila. Especially dito sa mga claddings na ginamit nila with rough texture. And of course, napaka-unique nung design and classy at the same time. On the left side, we have the entrance for your 2-vehicle carport with your automated gate. We also have these rough textured porcelain tiles para non-skid sa mga sasakyan ninyo. And on this side, we have your pedestrian gate with on either side, we have this garden box para syempre mas magkaroon ng welcoming vibe before you enter. So, pasok tayo. Upon entering dito sa inyong pedestrian, so in this space, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng inyong garden box or what I mean is yung inyong coffee table. Perfect spot to receive your guests, kunyari man para to maintain the privacy ng inyong bahay. And in this spot, we have this garden box. Pwede nyong improve into a water feature or lagyan nyo ng plants na gusto nyo. And in this space, ito naman yung inyong main door. And the area for your 2-vehicle carport with your automated gate. Yes, ito yung inyong mechanism for the automated gate. So napakadali magbukas or gamitin ito upon pagdating nyo dito sa inyong bahay. So we have your automated gate in that area. 2 steps up, papunta naman dito sa inyong lanay. We have your sliding door going here dito sa inyong auxiliary kitchen and your laundry area. So at 12, of course, ang liwanag dito sa perfect spot to dry your laundry after nyo maglaba in this space. We also have itong inyong additional counter, so pwede nyo gamitin ito as your dirty kitchen. We have your dual sink, stainless, and we also have this water pump para mas maganda yung pressure doon sa loob ng inyong bahay. At the same time, kapag gagamit kayo ng mga multi-point heaters, kailangan nyo ng pressure pump para may PSI na mini-maintain para gumana yung inyong multi-point heaters. So dito naman sa dulo ng inyong auxiliary kitchen, we have your staff room with own toilet and bath. Ayan. So in this space, maganda yung flooring niya, rough textured yung ginamit na porcelain tiles para of course kapag umuulan in this area or kapag naglalaba yung kasama nyo sa bahay, hindi madulas. Balik tayo doon sa harapan. And nandito na ulit tayo sa inyong main door. For our main door, we have this solid wood door and your modern door lock. Yale yung ginamit nilang brand. Papasok tayo and welcome to your home. Upon entering here dito sa inyong main door, on the right side, you will be welcomed by this accent wall. Floor-to-ceiling accent wall, and of course, coming from abroad, itong material na kinabit ng owner, napaka-elegante, no? It adds some grandeur vibe upon entering dito sa inyong foyer. Okay, so dito sa ating ground level, we have an open layout design. In this space, ito yung inyong magiging living area with your chandelier already installed, your cove ceiling design. We also have this textured wall or itong fluted panels installed on this side to add some texture to the space and to also hide itong inyong concealed door para sa inyong walk-in pantry from your kitchen area. So yan, you have your built-in shelves para mas madali mag-organize ng inyong canned goods or dry goods. So ito yung inyong living area. And by the way, for the flooring, we have Italian tiles, high gloss finish with marble grain design. Napakaganda, no? Engineered yan dito sa buong ground level. Adjacent dito sa inyong living area is your main kitchen area or kitchen space. So we have itong inyong L-shaped counter and your island counter, quartz finish with grid tiles design para dito sa ating backsplash. Lots of space for your preparation ng inyong food. We also have your huge stainless steel for your sink with your fixture. Ang elegante nung kanilang sink, ang ganda din tingnan, and it also complements dito sa ating base cabinets with almost same color nung kanilang ginamit for our modulars. These are high gloss finish with grab handles para mas madali gamitin with soft close hinges. So for our base and hanging cabinets, and for our hanging cabinets, kulay white naman So elegante nung ating cabinet with itong inyong LED cove light with your additional shelves. Lots of space for your storage, and dito sa inyong breakfast nook or island counter, additional preparation space, and of course we also have these soft close drawers for your utensils or cutleries. So yeah, meron na tayo nakalagay dito for your cabinets. We also have your integrated induction cook hub in this space together with your range hood, Franke brand. And again, we have your another appliances, your microwave and your oven, and your floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your pantry, no? So we also have your walk-in pantry na pinasok natin kanina. Dito sa inyong island counter, kasya yung inyong 2 kitchen stools or bar stools. And in this space, you have your 2 or 4-door refrigerator for the provision lang. And adjacent naman dito sa inyong main kitchen is your dining space. For the dining space, it can cater up to 6 to 8 seater dining table. Well, depende sa inyo, pero mas maluwag naman itong inyong dining because of your open layout design. Kaya to whatever you prefer is pwede nyo gawin in this space. We also have your hanging light or chandelier already installed. And adjacent naman dito sa inyong dining is your sliding door. So we have your sliding door with an access dito sa inyong lanay. So kunyari man gusto nyo ng alfresco, in this space, we are covered. So kunyari man umulan and you are here with your guests or your family, perfect spot. Ang ganda. And I'd like to highlight these sliding doors and sliding windows. So we have this high-grade aluminum and reflective tempered glass for your privacy during daytime. But if at night naman, you can use your curtains or blinds. The advantage nito kanilang high-grade aluminum, mas makapal pa to sa Series 900, napaka-eleganteng hawakan. And of course, very heavy duty. Hindi siya tumatalbog yung railings niya kapag ginagamit because very light material yung ginamit. So ito, hindi ito tinipid. And I guess more than $1 million yung ginastos for the windows and sliding doors para sa buong bahay. And by the way, I'd like to highlight ito kanilang screen or hard mesh. Ito yung ginagamit nila sa lahat ng sliding doors and sliding windows. It also adds some additional security feature. So kapag nilock mo yan, hindi yan mabubuksan ng any stranger kapag naiwan mo nakabukas yung window and nakalock yung inyong security screen. So hindi yan nasisira. This is stainless screen. Napakatibay niya. Kailangan mong grind rin para masira. Sa katunayan, ganyan yung ginamit namin sa first project ng Homescape Realty and napaka-eleganteng tignan. And we're done here dito sa ating ground level. But before we go up, we have your powder room underneath dito sa stairs. 3 steps down, ito naman yung inyong powder room. For your powder room, we have your basin type, American Standard sink or lavatory, and your water closet, American Standard din. We also have transom window facing dito sa inyong pedestrian gate para magkaroon kayo ng additional natural light and of course, yung moisture coming in this area. And itong inyong modern vanity mirror. For the stairs, we have solid wood stairs, tagnile yung kanilang ginamit. We also have your handrails and tempered glass. Akit tayo sa taas. Currently, naka-plastic cover lang itong inyong stairs para of course kapag nandito na kayo as the buyer or the new owner of this house, nasa pristine condition at hindi ganong naggasgasan because of the viewings. We also have these fixed window installed and itong inyong uning window dito sa stairs para magkaroon kayo ng natural light and ventilation in this space. So ayan, kitang-kita nyo yung pedestrian gate pero sa labas hindi kita itong area na ito because of the reflectorized glass. And dito sa second level, we have your 3 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each. And in this hallway around 2 meters, we have itong inyong pwede nyo gamitin as your library or study area. We also have cobblestone design and an accent light. So this is your bedroom 1 which is also your master bedroom facing dito sa facade ng inyong property. Tingnan natin. Okay, so upon entering dito sa inyong master bedroom, ito yung pinakamalaki in terms of bedroom size, including yung inyong walk-in and your master toilet and bath. And we have this space, ito yung inyong location for your king-size bed. We also have itong imported natural stone as the accent wall and pwede nyo rin gamitin as part of your headboard. No? Napaka-elegante tignan. Talagang ramdam mo yung minerals, no? Tama ba? Yung accent wall, very natural yung kanilang nilagay for the cladding. And in this space naman, kaharap ng inyong bed is your, pwede nyo gamitin as the area for your television set or pwede pa kayo mag-assemble ng maliit na walk-in or what I mean is yung inyong anteroom or the waiting area with your couch and your island table or center table. Your split type, of course, para dito sa inyong bedroom or the master, and we also have your ceiling fan. For the master, we have an access going here dito sa inyong balcony. Very spacious yung ating balcony. And the advantage pala nitong facing north na property, kapag gumagawa kayo ng plano or magpapagawa, hindi nyo nahahanapin kung saan sisikat yung araw at kung saan mainit because the advantage nitong facing north, hindi nakadirekta sa inyo yung bahay, yung sunlight in the mornings or in the afternoon. Kaya medyo malamig compares mga facing west property or facing east property yung ganitong room na nakaharap. Okay, so we have this spacious balcony with your frameless tempered glass. And in this space, excuse me lang, may ginagawa pa sila in this area. You also have your carrier band for the outdoor unit ng inyong AC. And by the way, that property is also for sale. So kunyari man may mga kamag-anak kayo na gusto nyo kasama, pwede nyo rin bilhin yan together with this one. By the way, for the flooring, we have rough textured porcelain tiles. And again, my favorite na sliding door. So on this space, in this space, sa likuran ng inyong accent wall, ito yung inyong walk-in closet. Lots of storage space for the husband and wife. Tingnan natin. Okay. So, meron siyang, ayan, yung pinipindot ang tawag mo dito. Push latch. Tama, galing ni Raymart. So, we have your cabinet for your storage. Lots of storage space, almost floor to ceiling din. Bagay na bagay doon yung inyong mga luggage. And dito sa dulo ng inyong walk-in closet, your master toilet and bath. Your American Standard water closet with bidet and with your lavatory and the shower space. Ang ganda ng kanilang shower space. And again, I'd like to highlight yung natural stone na ginamit nila for the cladding itong property. Napaka-ganda, elegante. At hindi lang yan, sa presyo nito, situated in Tandang Sora, Quezon City, okay na rin. And tingnan natin yung other bedroom. Okay, so tingnan natin itong bedroom 2. Close natin yung inyong master bedroom. And mapapansin nyo rin, for our ordinary or common bedroom in this house, malalaki din yung sukat niya, no? So the area of your king-size bed, you also have your almost floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your storage. And again, those are modular. Ito naman yung location ng inyong television set. You also have your ceiling fan and your AC. We also have these 3 windows with your high-grade aluminum. Of course, yung inyong ensuite toilet and bath, ang ganda rin ng sukat ng kanilang toilet and bath, your shower space, your water closet, and lavatory. And by the way, we also have heaters installed dito sa property. Naka-centralize na tayo. Okay, so balik tayo in this area. Ito naman yung ating tingnan. Ito yung inyong bedroom 3, yung pinakamalapit dito sa stairs, bukod doon sa inyong master. So we have your accent wall in this space. Accent lights, your cabinet. Again, ganda rin na may ceiling fan kayo in each room to reduce the use of your AC kung gusto niyo yung parang hangin lang talaga, pero we still have your AC in this bedroom. So lahat ng inyong bedroom with AC na rin. And your spacious. Maluwag talaga yung kanilang mga common toilet and bath or yung kanilang ensuite. For our flooring dito sa second level, almost or parehas nung inyong flooring dun sa ground level. High gloss Italian tiles. And akit na tayo dun sa itaas. So you have your huge family area dito sa third floor. And again, dito sa third level, you have your spacious family area. Pero mamaya na yan, tignan muna natin to. So ito yung inyong bedroom 4. And again, mapapansin nyo, no, napakalaki ng sukat ng mga bedroom nila. Almost same design or same layout nung bedroom 2 or bedroom 3 sa ibaba, itong bedroom 4. Na iba lang yung kanilang ensuite toilet and bath. We have your grid tiles design as an accent wall. You have your shower space, your water closet, and lavatory. You also have your ceiling fan. So yan, kitang-kita nyo na yung inyong family area. Diyan ka lang, Raymart. So ito yung inyong entire family area or family hall. We also have your chandelier installed. Your cove ceiling design. Napakaganda nitong ano, no? One of the focal point or the focal point nitong property is this. Pwede nyong gamitin din as your entertainment area if you have your relatives with you during the weekends. Your accent wall, and again, we have your concealed door para dito sa inyong powder room. Ganda, no? So, tingnan natin itong inyong last bedroom or your bedroom 5. Location of your television set. Your bed frame, your cabinet with your ceiling fan, and your AC, and your ensuite toilet and bath. And lastly, tira natin itong balcony. Oh, we have another door. Ngayon ko lang napansin to. So, dito sa inyong door, pwede nyo gamitin as additional storage space. Well, depende sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyo i-store dito. We have your built-in shelves. Kahit kanina hindi ko nakita yun. So, concealed door talaga. And lastly, itong inyong balcony dito sa 3rd level. Medyo mas maliit ito compared dun sa balcony natin sa may master bedroom. We also have your frameless tempered glass, and for the flooring, rough textured porcelain tiles. And that concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new 3-story modern contemporary home located here in Tandang Sora, Quezon City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website. Again, my name is Dean of Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.